My name is Shanta Parashuraman, and there has never been an election or a candidate that I have been this passionate about. One of the first reasons people usually cite as to why they're voting for Hillary is her experience. This often gets written off, but there's a reason why it's mentioned so often. In the midst of crises and hard choices, which are inevitable realities tied to the presidency, having the knowledge, judgment, and skillfulness that comes from 40 years of public service to guide you is invaluable. Experience matters. Qualifications matter. Then there's her heart. There's a saying, most people do not listen with the intent to understand. They listen with the intent to reply. Hillary Clinton listens to understand, and by hearing all of us, she's able to weave a common thread that helps unify us and foster harmony. She practices love and kindness despite facing so much ongoing bitter scrutiny and vitriol. I'm an actor, and sometimes the amount of criticism and rejection I face can be so incredibly discouraging. And then I look at Hillary Clinton, who has never let failure or harsh words pull her from her goal of bettering as many lives as she can. And it makes me want to persevere just as hard. Then there's the depth and breadth of her policies. I've learned everything from how she'll fight for disability rights to an Alzheimer's cure to preventing animal cruelty and torture. Every barrier deserves attention, and she will not stop until every single one of them are weakened and ultimately dismantled. I lost my dad last year, and it was the hardest thing I've ever been through. But he was covered by insurance, and he got some of the best medical care in the country, something Hillary Clinton has fought tirelessly for since I was a toddler. I often wish I could have political discussions with him, and he, one of the biggest feminists I know, could witness America electing its first woman president, a historic moment that no one can undermine. What this will do for little girls, especially here and around the world, cannot be overstated. And the degree to which it will inspire more women to run for local, state, and federal offices will be revolutionary. So I'm with her, all the way. She will fight for every one of us, even the ones who vocally criticize her, because that's the kind of person she is. She inspires me every day, and I simply cannot wait until January 20th, 2017.